Hi, I'm Janice and you're watching Delish D'Lites. I've been blogging for 10 years now and I'm sharing all my recipes here on YouTube. Food has always been a central part of my life. I've been cooking since I was 11 and this blog is really inspired by my Puerto Rican heritage, my love for travel, and my love for food. If you love eating and you love cooking, please make sure to subscribe so you never miss a recipe. In this recipe, we're making papas rellenas. You're going to need flour, eggs, and breadcrumbs for your breading station. Picadillo, and we can link the recipe right here where you can check out the full recipe for that. Instant potatoes, sazon seasoning, adobo seasoning, cooking oil. I use canola, but you can use vegetable oil as well, and milk. So I prepared the potatoes per the package instructions, but I added 1/4 teaspoon of sazon for color, and I replaced half of the water with milk. I'm seasoning the breading station, so the flour is getting a half a teaspoon of adobo. I'm going to beat the eggs, and the breadcrumbs are going to get half a teaspoon of adobo as well. To form the papas rellenas, I'm going to grease my hands with some cooking spray, and then grab some of the instant potato mix, form a patty so that you have a space to add your meat. Don't overfill these, otherwise they're going to be really hard to close. You want to form the potato mixture around the meat. Make sure it's fully sealed so that it doesn't open while you're frying. Then add the potato ball to your flour. Then the egg. And finally the breadcrumbs. You want to fry your papas rellenas at 375 degrees. Use a thermometer so that you can accurately measure the temperature of your oil. And you're going to fry these until golden brown and delicious. Drain them on a piece of paper towel and enjoy them while they're still warm. Look at that beauty. This is probably one of my favorite Puerto Rican snacks. For the full recipe, head over to delishdelites.com. Thanks for watching. For the full recipe, as well as the ability to join our email list, go to delishdelites.com. That's DLITES.